Hello, everyone, and welcome to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency hiring series. My name is Christian Wallace, and I'm a human resource specialist in classification here at the agency. Today, we're going to be going over applying to federal jobs and creating a federal resume. So let's get started. Proving you're qualified on your resume. When you're building your resume, refer to the specialized experience statement to ensure that you're including information that qualifies you for the position. So you can see highlighted here, it goes over specific experience needed and as well as the education requirements. Key point is making sure that the specialized experience statement on your resume when you're applying. Include dates, hours worked per week, and we can add this information together, which may help qualify you for 1 year of specialized experience. Build your resume. You can either create a resume on USA Jobs or upload your own. Either way, be sure to include the facts and figures where applicable. You must show how your skills and experience meet the qualification requirements for the position. Here you'll see a great example of what a resume would look like that you can load to your USA Jobs profile. We have the dates and hours worked, facts and figures, education and training, and awards and accolades. Keep it concise, but also make sure you're throwing in the dates there and the information needed to better sell you for the position. Things to remember: translate your experience. Not everything that comes from a certain job will translate to another job, so make sure that you're saying it in terms that someone would understand. Great example coming from the military, 42 Bravo, which is a military occupational specialty code, would be a human resource officer. Use those terms so we can better understand. How to get the interview. You must meet eligibility requirements, must be qualified, and you must prove it. Make sure that you're specific in your resume. Make sure you're providing those numbers, the dates, and your specific experience, and make sure you're answering that specialized experience statement. Customize your resumes. On your USA Jobs profile, you can load multiple resumes and then select a specific one to the job announcement when you're applying. So you can load a human resource resume, a program analyst resume, or a scientific resume. When it comes to the USA job announcement, select that specific one that fits the role. We are so excited that you're interested in a potential professional future here at EPA with us. For more information, please visit the resources listed here, as well as the rest of our hiring series video tutorials. Thank you for learning with us today.